Hello, students. Today we will begin with the second chapter, Lost Spring Stories of Stolen Childhood. So, students, this story has been written by the author Annie Jung. She is an Indian female author as well as journalist, and she tries hard to eliminate child labor, to reduce child labor through her writings. So we see so many children around us who do not go to school. We see them working in the factories or in the mills. They do not even get the opportunity to go to school and get their education. So students, this story is also about two children who are the victims of child labor. The story has been divided into two parts. The first part talks about the character Saheb-e-Alam, who is a rag picker, means a person who collects and sells rags, means a person who collects useful things from the garbage, okay, like clothes, sandals, etc. So these people are called rag pickers, and Saheb-e-Alam is a rag picker who is the main character in the first part of the chapter. So the first part talks about Sahib, who is a rag picker, and these children cannot afford to go to school. So they sometimes find a coin or a 10 rupee note while collecting the rags from the garbage, and this is their only way of earning. This is their only means of survival. Now, the second part shows the life of Mukesh, who is another victim of child labor. And Mukesh dreams of becoming a motor mechanic. He has a dream of becoming a motor mechanic, but he has always worked in the glass making industry. So this chapter, Lost Spring, Stories of Stolen Childhood, talks about the pathetic and miserable condition of the children who are forced to live a life of poverty and exploitation. Okay, so now let's look at the word meanings of the chapter, which will help us understand the chapter well. So here we are. Number 1, scrounging. S-C-R-O-U-N-G-I-N-G, scrounging, meaning searching for. Number 2, amidst, meaning in the middle of. Number 3, mutters, meaning to speak in a low voice. Number 4, glibly, meaning speaking in a confident way but without careful thought or honesty. Number 5, hollow, meaning meaningless. Number 6, embarrassed, meaning feeling ashamed. Number 7, abound, meaning exist in large numbers. Number 8, bleak, meaning empty. Number 9, he would have a hard time believing it. So this is a phrase which has been taken from the chapter, which refers to the meaning that it would be difficult for him to believe that his name meant the Lord of the universe. Number 10, barefoot, meaning wearing nothing in the feet. Number 11, shuffles, meaning slides them over each other. Number 12, excuse, meaning a reason to justify a fault. Number 13, perpetual state of poverty, meaning never-ending condition of being poor. Number 14, desolation, meaning the state of being empty. Number 15, panting, meaning taking short and quick breaths. Number 16, acquaintance, meaning contact. Number 17, periphery, meaning outer area. Number 18, metaphorically, meaning symbolically. Number 19, squatters, meaning a person who unlawfully occupies an uninhabited building or unused land. Number 20, wilderness, meaning a wasteland. Number 21, tarpaulin, meaning heavy-duty waterproof cloth. Number 22, permits, meaning legal documents. Number 23, tattered, meaning torn. Number 24, rag picking, means the job of collecting the rags. Number 25, transit homes, meaning a temporary home. Number 26, lighting up, meaning show joy and happiness. Number 27, content, meaning satisfied. Number 28, discarded, meaning thrown away. Number 29, bother, meaning worry. Number 30, intently, meaning with great attention. Number 31, canister, meaning a round or cylindrical container used for storing such things as food, chemicals, etc. Number 32, booth, meaning stall. Number 33, looking straight into my eye. So this is again a phrase taken from this chapter, which means with confidence and determination. Number 34, looks like a mirage, meaning seems that it will be true in the future, but actually it will not be so. Number 35, glass blowing industry, meaning industry related to making glass. Number 36, furnaces, meaning a closed room or container where heat is produced. Number 37, welding, meaning the process of joining metal or glass pieces by heating them. Number 38, dingy, meaning dark or dim. Number 39, slog, meaning work hard. Number 40, daylight hours, meaning hours of the day when there is sunlight. Number 41, brightness of their eyes. Here means in the chapter, this term, this phrase refers to the power to see. Number 42, beam, meaning shine brightly. Number 43, volunteers, meaning someone who freely offers to do something. Number 44, stinking, meaning bad smell. Number 45, choked, meaning blocked. Number 46, hovels, meaning slums. Number 47, crumbling, meaning falling down. Number 48, wobbly, meaning unsteady. Number 49, coexisting, meaning present at the same time and same place. Number 50, primeval, Primeval, primeval means historic. Number 51, bangs, meaning hits. Number 52, shack, meaning a roughly built hut. Number 53, thatched, meaning covered with dry grass. Number 54, sizzling, meaning make a hissing sound when frying or cooking. Number 55, platters, meaning large plates. Number 54, chopped, meaning cut finely. Number 55, frail, meaning thin or weak. Number 56, eyes filled with smoke, meaning eyes filled with the smoke coming out of the firewood. Number 57, withdraws, meaning goes back. Number 58, veil, 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 meaning a piece of fine material worn by women to protect or hide their face or to cover their face. Number 59, impoverished, meaning very poor. Number 60, labor, meaning hard work. Number 61, renovate, meaning repair. Number 62, destiny, meaning fate. Number 63, God-given lineage. Here means in the chapter, the meaning of God-given lineage is a profession carried on through the generations of a family, which is the glass making or the glass bangle making profession of the family, which has been mentioned in the chapter in case of Mukesh. Number 64, yard, Y-A-R-D, yard, meaning the open area at the back of the house. Number 65, mounds, meaning heaps. Number 66, unkempt, meaning not taken care of. Number 67, piled, kept one on top of the other, which is the meaning. Number 68, shanty town, meaning a town that is full of small, roughly built huts. Number 69, drab, meaning faded or colorless. Number 70, soldering, meaning joining. Number 71, tongs, T-O-N-G-S, tongs, meaning an instrument with two movable arms joined at one end. Number 72, sanctity, meaning the state of being sacred or holy. Number 73, auspiciousness, meaning good omen. Number 74, dawn on her, meaning she will realize. Number 75, draped, meaning covered. Number 76, sir, meaning a unit of measuring quantity. Number 77, reaped, received as a benefit, which is the meaning. Number 78, rings, meaning a sound which is repeated. Number 79, echo, meaning repeat. Number 80, lament, meaning complaint. Number 81, mind-numbing, meaning boring. Number 82, toil, meaning physical hard work done to earn a living. Number 83, vicious, meaning cruel. Number 84, hauled up, meaning dragged or taken away. Number 85, spiral. Here in this chapter, spiral means a never-ending continuous process. Number 86, apathy, meaning lack of concern. Number 87, greed, meaning selfish desire for something. Number 88, distinct, meaning separate. Number 89, stigma, meaning dishonor. Number 90, bureaucrats, 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 meaning government officials. Number 91, imposed, meaning forced upon. Number 92, baggage, meaning burden. Number 93, to dare, meaning to do something courageous. Number 94, hurtling down, meaning moving around. So students, these are the word meanings of the chapter Lost Spring, Stories of Stolen Childhood. I kindly request you to write these down on your notebook, which will help you understand the chapter. And I have already given you an overview of the chapter, and we will begin reading and understanding the chapter in the next session.